And let's see if the Tiger is restarting now, and if it's chopping well. This is almost too small tree for that monster chainsaw. I guess it's oiling. Try to make a restart. I obviously it don't like to restart, not at all. That's how this chainsaw is. I don't think it's the misconnection on the spark plug. I just think it's something about the carburetor and excess of gasoline. The carburetor is rebuilt and the fuel line is done service on. But to make this swing operate, I need to collect the Husqvarna 44 and transfer another drink. Obviously, I need to do that. So let's see if that is the issue, if that is the thing that it is in need of fuel to restart. That could be the issue. Alternative, it's the ground. But I will find out. Get the chainsaw to know over time by using it, feeling its response, feeling what's going on. And unfortunately, I didn't take gasoline with me today, so I give it a droplet transfer here, and hopefully it was enough droplets that went into it now. I always put the filter wrong way. Yeah, I hear you, Raven. Can you hear me? Okay, you can. It's even fairly sharp, and it's chopping like the beast it is. But and it's humping and dumping good, idling cool. I'm not sure if it's oiling. Maybe oiling a tiny little. But it's stuff. But it's so heavy, oh my, oh my. And grabbing that Husqvarna 44, it feels like a feather compared. I bet it's more than 10 kilo. There it died. There is resistance here in the chain. I think it has an oil problem. Yeah. So the chain might an issue with the oiling, and it also has an issue with the restart. That was a chance to take, because if it's not oiling the chain, it will get overheated, and they could have too much resistance, which the chain will give it too much resistance, and that's not good. It makes the engine too warm, wear and tear. But nice to have tested it and have shown it on the camera. Very cool. So now I'm going to chop up the rest of the birch with the excellent Husqvarna 44. The featherweight class compared to this. One of the best chainsaws for this kind of job. Blessed with a very sharp chain, kind of crazy good chainsaw, and this is kind of crazy. Why? Because the woodpecker is loyal to me, standing there working steadily on his wood. He don't care much about my woodwork here. Is that the best chainsaw ever, or is it the best chainsaw ever? It's amazing. And the muddy thing is again, it is this thing over here. We don't care. Really cool. And there you are, my friend. So let's go a little back and do a little more tensor film. It's chopping very good. And it's soon finished this job. Then the whole tree job is finished, thanks to this Swedish miracle machine. The Husqvarna 44. Excellent. Thank you for watching, and remember to put the like and so I finished up this birch all the way to the top, and the owner himself, he is going to come here and take away the branches. That's the agreement we have. And now it's again silence here and harmony for this woodpecker that's love to be here and work and whatever he is doing. I think he's have a constant lunch-like situation. Eat, 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 and work, work, work.